Zipline reveals new home delivery platform. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Zipline has revealed its new Platform 2, P2, home delivery system, designed to quietly complete deliveries up to 7 times as fast as traditional automobile delivery. Over the last several years, Zipline has been developing P2 to offer an optimal customer experience at scale. Zipline's drones, zips, fly over 300 feet above ground and are almost inaudible. When the zip arrives at its destination, its fully autonomous delivery droid maneuvers down a tether to gently and accurately drop off its package. Various healthcare and restaurant businesses have already signed on to use Zipline's new platform. Sweet Green is partnering with Zipline, enabling customers to receive their orders using 97% less energy than traditional automotive methods. The future of delivery is faster, more sustainable, and creates broader access, all of which provides improved value for our customers, said Sweet Green's CEO and co-founder Jonathan Neman. We couldn't be more excited to work with Zipline to complement our delivery strategy. Zipline's sustainable technology and ability to reach customers quickly, with a great delivery experience, will help us give our customers what they want, when they want it. Michigan Medicine will use the service to more than double its number of prescriptions filled annually through its in-house pharmacy. Intermountain Health will leverage the service to deliver prescriptions to patients' homes in the Salt Lake City metro area, and MultiCare Health System intends to use it to hasten diagnostics and deliver prescriptions and medical devices through its network of facilities. By deploying Zipline, we are able to make deliveries faster than ever before, saving time for both patients and our medical workers, enabling faster, affordable pharmacy care that leads to better patient outcomes, said Marshall S. Runge, MD, Ph.D., is CEO of Michigan Medicine, Dean of the UM Medical School and Executive Vice President of Medical Affairs for the University of Michigan. We are always looking for innovative, sustainable improvements to serve our patients. We're thrilled to soon provide the next frontier of care to our patients with Zipline. Additionally, the government of Rwanda will use the service to allow for urban aerial last-mile delivery to homes, hotels, and health facilities in Kigali and elsewhere in the country. Zipline and Rwanda is a case in point of transformation, of economic prosperity that changes people's lives for the better, said President of Rwanda Paul Kagame. Zipline's end-to-end solution integrates with a business's current operations, including its dual-use docking and charging hardware, able to be attached to any building or set up as a freestanding structure. Employees can easily load a zip to send off orders in seconds right from their location. Customers can order on demand or schedule the exact arrival time of their package.